Welcome to my channel. I'm Sana and you're watching Sana Vogue. In this video, I'm gonna show you this makeup look with very less products and it's gonna stay for a long time. So let's begin. Okay, just now I took a shower. As usual, first moisturizer. It's from Emulin Propylene Glycol. Lately I'm using this for my oily skins. This works great. It actually gives a smooth and soft skin. For my hair I'm using this L'Oreal Paris Hair Serum, the best serum for frizzy and dry hair. Applying it on my damp hair, and I have used many serums before but this one is lit. For lips, gonna apply this Mars lip oil. Shade is Floral Dew, which gives you a hydrating and plumping lips. Now for color corrections, here I'm gonna apply Miss Claire's Orange Corrector, applying with my fingers first to get intense pigmentation. It's a cream product and the price of this correction is nearby 280, I think, nearby 250 or 280, and this is a good cream product for this price range. Now I'm gonna apply this Cancel Concealer from Mars. The shade is Espresso Elegance. Applying top of this orange corrector. This step will correct your pigmentation seamlessly. Now I'm gonna blend both with concealer brush, not with a finger. And now blend all the sharp edges. This will make your skin super clear. You can see now this ज़्यादातर face cover हो चुका है. Now I'm gonna set this products with compact. Taking some of the product with the same concealer brush and just dabbing on the products. You can see how completely hidden the pigmentation now. Now it's time to apply foundation. It's from Maybelline Fit Me. Shade is 340. Directly pumping on my face. I'm giving a very light pressure on pump to get a less products. And this way I have dotted all my face. Now blending with the brush. In T-zones, just dabbing because we have already applied 2 products on the T-zones. And in other parts of the face, blending in a circular motion. And in outer face, blending in a circular motion with the brush. Now to set these products using this 3 Beauties compact, shade is 07, which keeps your makeup longer. It's a good compact actually. And this triangular sponge helps me a lot. It gives you a patch-free blending. And for eyes, today gonna apply mascara only. This mascara is from Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. This is waterproof mascara and this gives you a super curl lashes. Actually this I got in a complimentary. For lips, gonna use these 2 lip combo from Blue Heaven's Matte Cream. Lighter shade is Mahogany Moments and other one is Scarlet Kiss, which is like a maroon shade. Both are pretty shade for duskies and brown skins, and this light shade is for regular use. Definitely I'll recommend you to buy this. And for outer line, applying Scarlet Kiss shape as a lip liner. And in middle of the lips, this Mahogany Moment shade. And this both shade gives a superb lip combo. And taking some product in fingers and blending on outer eyelids to enhance my eyes. and applying same scarlet case on my high cheekbones as a blush. That's it for face. So this is a skin finish makeup and it's gonna stay for long time without any setting spray, cause we used matte products and the compact is best compact for long lasting makeup. Hope you like it and hope this will gonna useful for you, and if you want more video like this, please tell me in the comment section. So yeah, let's meet you on next video. Bye bye.